Hello! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your glitter pinecone ornament. So, in your bag, you're going to get 5 glittered pine cones and some yarn. So, just as a heads up, this one's going to be a little bit on the messier side than our other ones because there's going to be glitter everywhere. But hey, that's the fun of the holidays, right? So, you're going to get 5 cones, and my suggestion is to go ahead and we're going to do our best to give you some like equally sized cones, but go ahead and sort of configure your cones in what seems to be the best configuration. Then once you have that down, basically you'll just start gluing them together. This is going to need a lot of glue because you are going to try and adhere the 2 cones together. And so I would go ahead and just glue that on, let that harden a little bit, and add some more. And then move on to the next one. And so what I would suggest doing is you put them together and then you just let it sort of come together by itself. That's gonna be the easiest thing to do. And then once it hardens, you just flip it over and you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so keep that there for just a second and let that harden. And then same thing for this side. So let that fall into each other. And this is gonna seem very loose at first, but that's just because it's gonna be a little bit warm still, and you're just gonna have to do your best. And then okay, so I'm gonna let that harden on this side, and then we'll flip it over when it's ready. Once the hot glue is all nice and dry, you're gonna get your yarn, and you could either just loop it like how you would normally would, but something that you could do in order to like hide the hot glue is go ahead and tie one section down just so you know it's nice and tight and won't come off. And then you can just wrap some of this yarn around the outside here, so you can kind of just hide some of that hot glue if the hot glue bothers you. And then if you have your own yarn, you can also do different colors if you want. Make multiple strings, kind of make it however which way you would like. Then when you're back around, what I recommend is you kind of loop it around one more time, then leave enough so you can use it as the hanger, and then go ahead and loop this around the other way, and then once more in, because then you'll be left with something like this, and then what you could do now is take this and tie it off at the end. Let's make sure that's long enough. Tie that, and take a scissor and then cut off the excess. And there you are, you have your very own glitter pinecone ornament.